Digital product passports are an important part of the European Green Deal framework to make sustainable products the norm in the EU. The goal is to empower consumers for the green transition by allowing them to access accurate, transparent, and actionable information from and about the products they consume. Digimarc and IOTA have worked together to build a state-of-the-art digital product passport system that leverages the best of IOTA's distributed ledger technology with the best of Digimarc's product cloud. We have applied this system to track and validate the entire lifecycle of electric vehicle batteries. Each and every step of the life cycle of batteries is captured using mobile apps or other integrations and fed to the Digimarc product cloud, from the extraction of the raw materials to the construction and integration of all the battery modules, the integration of the battery into a car, the maintenance performed on the battery by mechanics, and the eventual resale or recycling of the modules or batteries. All of these events come to the product cloud via mobile applications and other information systems using the GS1 EPCIS supply chain standard. Using the GS1 EPCIS standards means that all supply chain partners have a unified way to communicate with each other and interpret events. The events are recorded in the product passport as well as anchored on IOTA via Digimarc's blockchain integration hub. IOTA then acts as a trust layer where anchored data can be verified directly by any application and the identity of stakeholders validated thanks to the use of decentralized identifiers and verifiable credentials. Once manufactured, each battery then gets its own digital identity in the form of a QR code, watermark, or an RFID tag encoding a GS1 digital link, the standard for web-enabled product identities. This identity is used by all stakeholders interacting with the battery, from mechanics all the way to consumers, to store and retrieve information about the battery. All of this data forms the digital product passport, which any authorized applications can retrieve through a set of APIs, transforming the raw data into data that can be understood by consumers. With a quick scan of the battery's digital identity in the form of a QR code, watermark, or an RFID tag, consumers can immediately access detailed information. This includes an authenticity check performed thanks to Digimarc's data-driven brand integrity solution, combined with the unique immutability and transparency features of the IOTA Tangle. Consumers can get an overview of the full life cycle of the battery, understanding more about the raw material, modules of the battery, and services that were performed. To increase trust and transparency, each part of the digital product passport can be verified on the IOTA Tangle. This provides consumers with evidence that the data is tamper-proof and that the processes were performed by identifiable and authorized parties. As an example, the inspection reports of mechanics, the bill of materials, or the tests of both the battery and the modules can be verified using verifiable credentials. Consumers aren't the only ones leveraging the digital product passport. Brands can too. Thanks to fine-grained traceability information, they have access through Digimarc's product cloud to detailed brand protection reports. Furthermore, the product traceability dashboards enable brands to know exactly what happened to the product, including who performed what type of maintenance on the battery or its modules. Finally, the brands can get a better understanding of their customers through powerful analytics dashboards. The Digital Product Passport initiative is a real opportunity to bring transparency to consumers and producers, giving them access to the data they need for a green transition, where products can carry information and services about their production, repurposing, and end of life. Digimarc and IOTA have demonstrated that combining GS1 standard digital identities and supply chain events in a powerful platform like the Digimarc Product Cloud, with a strong layer of trust brought by IOTA's distributed ledger technology, leads to strong transparency, resiliency, and interoperability of the upcoming passports of all our products, enabling a future where we have full transparency of how products are produced, consumed, and recycled. Digimarc. See everything. Achieve anything. IOTA. Digital autonomy for everyone.